The Stump Excavator provide absolute accuracy. This machine can cut and split firewood quickly. Optimize work productivity for real purpose. In terms of wood art creation, a 150 horsepower woodworking lathe is an even better tool. With the help of this machine, giant mahogany can be processed into unique lamps. The precise rotation process creates perfect curves, showcasing the natural beauty of wood. Think about the marriage of art and technology. In drilling operations, his 20th generation splitter drill is perfect. His intelligent design ensures that the drilling force is evenly distributed. The drilling process is smooth and fast. It is widely used in the wood processing and construction industries. Favored by professionals. Think about it. This design can greatly improve work efficiency. It's really worry-free and labor-saving. Through technological excellence, kinetic energy P-mesh machine combined with customized P-mesh motors provides excellent work efficiency. This device makes the curtain draping process much faster, powerful and labor-saving. Optimized productivity, really efficient work. When dealing with large logs, let's use the saw first. And the automatic PM machine is 10 to 12.36 feet in length, 53.14 inches in diameter, 5,070 pounds of oak for cutting. Then use the growing HSW for OPM machine. Quickly and precisely separate the backwood. Improve work efficiency. The use of this equipment not only reduces labor, it was incredible. The process of building a wooden house. It is a comprehensive project. So let's start with this. Choose and process high-quality wood materials. And then there's framing. Components like walls and roofs are precisely assembled to create a robust structure. And then finally, add some fine details. Create a beautiful and durable wooden home. What a cozy living space. But some devices also encounter trouble when in use. Take that overload. For the Hano touch truck, it smoked while climbing the hill. That's sweaty. Overload can put a lot of pressure on the engine, make us overheating or even serious damage. But on the other hand, name MVIO. $536 shipping over rough terrain. Tons of wood at the same time, to pull out another car in trouble. True strength is strong. Demonstrated outstanding operational capabilities and powerful motivation. Speaking of grinders, more bark for 1036 micro grinder. Really amazing performance. It is equipped with 16 highly efficient ancient blades and 700 horsepower Cat C2.8 engine, able to produce wood chips quickly. Outstanding performance. It is particularly suitable for large-scale wood processing tasks. This grinder let people sigh at the charm of woodworking art. Only half a log. It makes an amazing bowl. The precise rotation process shapes the intricate details, from perfect circles to smooth surfaces. This is clearly demonstrated in the art of woodworking. The perfect combination of technology and art is truly or this historic steam sawmill. Famous for its giant original blades, it uses advanced sawing technology. Saws and shelf setters work smoothly on the shelf. The machine provides excellent performance, can cut wood quickly and accurately. Lift productivity of large-scale wood processing projects. This efficient way of working make the entire processing process smoother.